Okay.
Good evening, Dan.
Yes, you too. Just a minute, I go to vacancy.
Okay.
cô chưa lên hả con? Okay.
Okay, wait a minute, Dang. I just have to answer this one.
Okay.
Okay, so let's continue now, Dang.
Okay.
Okay, so Dang, tonight is our last class, okay?
Yes.
All right. So I haven't talked to your mom yet if you are going to still re-enroll. Yeah, I haven't talked to her because I think the center will call her, okay?
I don't hear my mom talk me.
And then,
Last classic I can talk my mom.
again, last.
Last class I talk my mom.
Okay, and then, on our last class, on Tuesday, you talked to your mom.
I don't hear my mother talk.
You haven't talked to your mom.
No. Last lesson I will talk mom.
Okay, later, you're going to talk to your mom.
Okay, yes.
Okay, because tonight is our last lesson, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, tonight is our last lesson. So, if ever that you are decided to re-enroll, this will be our new, this will still be our schedule, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you just tell your mom later, okay?
Yes.
All right, so anyway, let's begin.
Yes, sure.
Okay, so for tonight, then our last lesson will be about lesson 4, current event, okay? So what do you mean by current event, Dang?
Correct event.
What is current event?
I don't know.
All right, so current event means these are the latest news or, yeah, latest news in our town, okay?
Okay.
All right, so now let's have vocabulary first. Okay, can you read the following words, Dang?
Naturalist. Citizen. Born. Territory. Profiling. Requirement. Moral character. Comic. Quietness. Just a minute. I write in the
Okay.
notebook.
All right. Finish writing, Dang?
Yes.
Okay. I'm waiting for you. Okay, so read it again, Dang.
Naturalize. Citizen. Burn. Territory. Profiling. Requirement. Moral character. Comic greatness.
Okay, wait a minute, Dang. How do you say the first word?
I read again the first word.
Yeah, what is the first word again? You didn't say it correctly.
Naturalize.
Okay,
Naturalize.
that is naturalize.
Naturalize.
Okay, very good. How about, okay, wait a minute. I will encircle it because I heard a wrong pronunciation. Okay, how about this one, Dang?
Profiling.
Okay, that is fulfilling.
Okay, fulfilling.
Yes, fulfilling. Okay, so now let's skip to the next one. Okay, can you say these words, Dang?
Civics. Government. Government. Exception. Resident. Senator. Congress. State. Flag.
Okay,
Just a minute, advice.
okay. Finish writing, Dang? Okay, are you finished now?
Just me 5 minutes.
Okay. Okay, not yet done?
What?
Finish now?
Okay, I'm finished.
Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so now let's have reading about citizen test. Okay, can you read this article, Dang, or the text?
Okay.
Okay, can you read it, please?
Naturally, natural,
Naturalized.
naturalized citizens are not born in United States on its
Wait. United States.
United States or its territories. They become citizens by fulfilling certain requirements. A requirement is something needed. What are some requirements to become a naturalized citizen? One must be at least 18 years old. One must have good moral
Character.
character. If one is moral, one is good. One does not commit crime or hurt others. One must have lived in the United States for at least 5 years. One must pass two tests. One test is an English test. The other is civics test. The civics test is on American history and government.
Okay. Okay, continue.
Mm, Not all people have to meet that requirement. Sometimes there are exceptions. Children can be naturalized. They do not have to be 18 years old. They can be naturalized. They do not have to be 18 years old. Oh, no. If their parents apply for them, sometimes older people do not have to learn English. Exceptions are made case by case, which President is called the federal of all countries. How many senators are in Congress? What is capital of your state? Where is the White House located? What do the stars on of luck mean? These 5 questions are from a list of 96 questions. The list is for the civic test. People can use the list to study for the test. The test will not have all 96 questions. The test will only have some of the 96 questions.
Okay, very good. Okay. All right, continue again, Dang. There's more.
Just a minute. I will
Okay.
continue with the Okay.
Okay,
What
continue reading now, Dang.
What are the answers to the symbol question? The first answer is George Washington. He is the father of our country. The second answer is 1000. We have
100.
100. We
Mm-hmm.
have 50 states. We have 2 senators from each state. This means we have 100 senators. There are 50 answers to third question. Each state has a different capital. The answer to fourth question is Washington, D.C. or White House is located here. What last question is about our flag? There are 50 stars on flag. Each star stands of state. How did you do on the question? Did you know about a government?
Okay, so right now we are going to talk about passive voice. Okay, so active, subject plus verb plus object, and the passive form is subject plus be plus positive plus by plus o. Okay, so now Dan, let's have the passive voice. Okay, so can you read it? A passive sentence consists of.
Passive sentences consist of
Oh,
subject,
where is your camera, Dan?
a camera.
Yeah, I cannot see you.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. All right, can you read it? The passive sentence.
The passive sentences consist of subject, the verb to be in the correct tense, the past participle of the verb needed, sometimes the agent and or other complement. Subject, the plus verb plus to be plus past practice.
Mm-hmm.
The novel was read by mom in one day. This film wasn't liked by no one. This window has been broken.
Okay, so these are the examples of a passive sentence. Okay, subject plus verb plus to be plus past participle. So example, the novel was read by mom in one day. This film wasn't liked by no one. The windows had been broken. Okay, so now Dan, let's have this one. The passive is used when we want to emphasize the action in question. The causes of action, whether someone or something is not too important. So example, passive forms are made up of the verb be with the past participle. Okay, example. Can you read the example, Dan?
English is spoken all around in the world.
Okay, so passive forms are made up of English is spoken all around the world. Okay, very good. Okay, so the next kind is the passive infinitive. It's made up of to be with the past participle. So can you read the example, Dan?
The buses infinity. No. The doors are going to be locked at 10 o'clock.
Okay, very good. Okay, the last one. We can use the indirect object as the subject of a passive verb. Okay, give me an example, Dan.
We gave him a book for his birthday. He was given a book for his birthday.
Okay, very good. He was given a book for his birthday. Okay, so next one. If we want to show the person or thing doing in the action, we use by. So example, Dang.
He was attacked by a dangerous dog.
Okay, that's not attacked. That is attacked.
Attacked.
Okay, very good. Okay, next one. We sometimes use the verb get with the past participle to form the passive. So example again, Dang.
Be careful with the glass. It might get broken.
Yes. And then next one. Some verbs which are very frequently used in the passive are followed by the to infinitive. Okay, so the words are be supposed to, be scheduled to, be expected to, be allowed to, be asked to, be invited to, be told to, and be ordered to. Okay, now read the example, Dan.
Just a minute.
All right.
Mm. John has been asked to make a speech at the meeting.
Okay, very good. Okay, now these are, or this is a table of passive voice in all tenses, okay? So I will read the tense, the active, and you are going to read the passive words, okay, Dan?
I okay.
Okay, so the present simple is I make a cake.
A cake is made.
Okay, present continuous. I'm making a cake.
A cake is being made.
Past simple, I made a cake.
A cake was made.
The past continuous is I was making a cake.
A cake was being made.
All right, present perfect. I have made a cake.
A cake has been made.
Past perfect. I had made a cake.
A cake had been made.
Okay, next one. Future be going to. I'm going to make a cake.
A cake will be made.
And the modal is I must make a cake.
A cake is going to be made.
Okay, and last one is the modal perfect. I should have made a cake.
A cake shouldn't have been made.
Okay, very good. So all these are the examples of a tense, active, and a passive form. Okay, Dan?
Yes.
All right. So let's continue with this one. Have something done. We use have plus object plus ed form when we talk about something doing something for us, which we ask or instruct them to do. It emphasizes the process or action rather than who performs it. So compare the two sentences below. Okay, so this is the first sentence. Nam repaired the house. He repaired it himself. Next, Nam had the house repaired. He arranged for somebody else to repair it. Okay, so now, Dan, let's answer this one. Task number 1. Find and correct errors in the sentences below, okay? So I will read the sentence, Dang, and then tell me what is the letter of the wrong word, okay, Dang? Okay.
Number one is May.
Let's see.
B.
Okay, letter B is correct. Number 2.
R. No. It's correct. B.
What letter?
B.
Okay, B also. Very good. Number 3.
C.
Okay, C. Very good. Next, number 4.
A.
Okay, it's letter B. Okay, number 5.
A.
Okay, A. Very good. All right, so very good, Dang. You got 1 mistake and 4 points. Very good. Okay, so the correct sentence is, that cake was made for my birthday party. Number 2, a novel is being read by Jim. Number 3, Loan is having her hair cut next Sunday. Number 4, this house was built by his father 3 years ago. Number 5, I was given a notebook on my birthday by my best friend yesterday. Okay, so now, Dan, for our last activity, task number 2, change the following sentences into passive sentences, okay? So I will give you number 1 as an example. Mr. How do you say this name, Dan? Can you tell me? Mr. How do you say this word? What's this? Hyun?
Homework.
Again?
Your homework should be due by me.
What's your answer again?
Your homework is due by me.
Your homework should be done. Okay, number 3. Nam built this house in 1999.
Yeah, completed. I don't know.
Okay, so Nam built this house in 1999. So this is the passive form, okay? This house was built by Nam in 1999. Okay, number 4, Dan. Can you try it?
Why was, oh no, the letter was posted by Win last month.
Okay, so the letter was posted by Wind last month. Okay, that's correct. Number 5. She will open her new restaurant next Monday.
New restaurant is will open by her next Monday.
Okay, her new restaurant will be opened next Monday. Oh, okay. Very good. Okay, number 6. We had to postpone the meeting because the boss was ill.
Hmm. Hmm.
What will be your answer?
Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, that is the last one.
Hmm. I don't know.
Okay, let's see. The meeting was had to postpone because the boss was ill. Okay, so that is the correct form for
Okay.
the passive voice. Okay,
Oh,
well, anyway, Dan. Okay, so I hope I will be seeing you still on Tuesday, okay? Because this is our last class for tonight, okay?
yes.
Okay, so I hope I will be going to see you again on Tuesday, Dan. And I hope
Yeah.
you can re-enroll again and choose teacher Biang, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you, Dan. It's nice to meet you. And I hope we
Yeah.
can learn together soon, okay, Dan?
Yeah.
Okay, so goodbye, Dan. See you soon.
Bye.
Goodbye.